Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So आज के इस वीडियो में हम Firebase Studio को एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं जो कि एक गूगल का प्लेटफॉर्म है एंड इट्स लाइक काइंडली ऑफ अ डेवलपमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे आप एप्स डेवलप कर सकते हो और एआई इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हो एंड कैसे एक यूजफुल प्लेटफॉर्म बन सकता है ये. So it's like a very useful for developers, the designers and AI architects and very kinds of professionalism. सो जस्ट सबसे पहले आपको अपना ब्राउजर ओपन कर लेना है जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे ओपन करके रखा है एंड सर्च बार में आपको यहाँ पे आके फायरबेस स्टूडियो सर्च करना है. यू कैन जस्ट टाइप इन द सर्च बार एंड गो विद इट. तो जो फर्स्ट वेबसाइट आएगी यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा फायरबेस एंड बिल्ड विद जेमिनी इन फायरबेस. सो सिंपली फर्स्ट वाले लिंक पे आपको क्लिक करना है. तो फर्स्ट वाले लिंक पे क्लिक करते ही आपको कुछ ऐसा इंटरफेस देखने मिलेगा यहाँ पे आप देख सकते सबसे ऊपर बिल्ड का ऑप्शन है, देन रन का ऑप्शन है, देन सॉल्यूशंस का ऑप्शन है एंड इसमें आप चाहो तो सब्सक्रिप्शन भी ले सकते हो क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्राइसिंग का भी ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है. आप मोर पे क्लिक करोगे तो यहाँ पे उसके डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड कम्युनिटी एंड सपोर्ट्स का भी ऑप्शन है. ओके, तो जस्ट सबसे पहले आपको अपना अकाउंट लॉग इन कर लेना है. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल एंड क्लियर प्रोसेस. तो सबसे पहले जब आप इस वेबसाइट पे आओगे, जब इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आओगे तो अपना अकाउंट लॉग इन कर लेना एंड देन वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. ओके, तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है मेक योर ऐप द बेस्ट इट कैन विद फायरबेस एंड जनरेटिव एआई. सो एज आई टोल्ड वी कैन बिल्ड एप्स or websites and some kinds of content with the help of Gen AI, and it helps a lot to save time and the efforts. Okay, so you can get started in the console or try Firebase Studio. If you want to use in the console, then you can go into the console and start builds. We will try to work in the Firebase Studio as a trial. Let me show you. So before starting, let's see what the interface shows us. So in the build section, you can build various kind of products like app checking, app hosting, authentication, cloud functions, cloud storage, and data connect, extensions, Firebase machine learning, and kind of all these kinds of things you can build here in a very easy way. Okay, you don't have to build from the scratch in the some kind of projects you have to build, some kinds of stuffs you have to build. You can just come here and start with this thing. If you want to authenticate your app, add a authentication. And if you want to host your app, if you want to test your app, you can just come on this platform and start with this functionality. So next is run. You can actually test your product in this run part. Like you can see here, A/B testing, app distribution, cloud messaging. Like cloud messaging is like data transfer or chats transfer kind of stuff, just like Telegram, WhatsApp type. And in-app messaging type and performance monitoring, you can actually control the performance of your website or your app that you have built. And there are solutions, what the solutions you can provide. Let's start with the build. Right now, I'm not exploring the pricing section because I'm not purchasing any kind of subscription right now. But you can, if you want to explore more, go deep down into the Firebase Studio, you can definitely purchase a subscription. Okay, let's build with something with the help of Gen AI. So I have clicked on the generative AI, and as you can see on the interface, get started with the Firebase Studio, and the second one option is add AI to your app. If some as the app is already built, I had already built some app, and I want to add AI features, integrate the AI, the main part of the AI architect as I usually do. So I can use this platform also to integrate AI features into the app, and I also use this platform actually. So let's start. Before proceeding, you can read this kinds of content here they are providing. If you want to read this, you can read. So let's start. Get started with the Firebase Studio. And when I click on this option, this kind of interface is loading. Maybe it take time to load. So just we will wait here and let's see. Okay, so there is a box here, input box, where I have to define my prompt, what kinds of app and what kind of website I have to build. Okay, so let's start. So I have to just imagine like I have to build some kind of game. Let's see what kind of game. I'm not thinking to build a game, but Let's start with some making a website on the clothing brand. If you want to explore in the lifestyle, so you must have required a clothing brand website. Okay, and web application for my clothing brand. Actually, the prompt is very creepy type, but right now I had write the prompt for showing you how the Firebase Studio is worked actually. So let's start with the prototype with AI. So actually we can build a prototype with this. So let's click on the prototype with AI. So it can load and generating some content and generating the website actually. Let's see what's happening here. It's I think it's actually starts building something. This is my prompt and some kinds of loading stuff is gone here. Let's start seeing what is happening here right now. So the first thing it is showed me that describe the changes you want to make. I don't have to describe. I have already described. And as you can see on the screen, it gives me all the features it is adding. Like ये जो फीचर्स ऐड करने वाला है हमारी वेबसाइट में, इसने मुझे पहले ही बता दिया है। लाइक देखो, प्रोडक्ट कलेक्शन ब्राउजिंग का फीचर होगा, डिटेल प्रोडक्ट व्यू का ऑप्शन होगा, शॉपिंग कार्ट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम हम इसमें इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हैं, सिक्योर चेकआउट प्रोसेस होगा, एआई स्टाइल असिस्टेंट होगा इसमें, एंड यूजर अकाउंट एंड ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री होगी, एंड एक कॉन्टेक्ट सेक्शन भी होगा। एंड इसमें हम ये 3 कलर्स पे यूज करने वाले हैं। एंड दिस इज द लेआउट यू कैन रीड, एंड इज द टाइपोग्राफी लाइक हेडलाइन फॉन्ट इज पॉपिंस एंड sans serif for its precise, and iconography is there and animations are there. So which stack is used here? For the AI purpose, it is Gemini and Genfit, and for the UI, TypeScript, Next.js and Tailwind CSS. So it is very like professional and high level languages it is using like Next.js. So let's start with the prototype this app. सो एक्चुअली Firebase स्टूडियो क्या कर रहा है, सबसे पहले आपको एक ओवरव्यू दे दे रहा है, ठीक है, कि आप ये क्या क्या फीचर्स इंटीग्रेट करने वाला है, क्या स्टैक यूज करने वाला है, एंड आप कलर्स कौन से यूज कर रहे हो, टाइपोग्राफी कौन सी यूज होने वाली है, इसमें एनिमेशन कौन कौन से लगने वाले, तो ये चीजें आपको सबसे पहले वो बता रहा है। ओके, तो एज यू कैन सी ऑन योर स्क्रीन, इट हैज स्टार्टेड जनरेटिंग द कोड in some kind of boxes type, and it is generated .env file and source folder, sorry, and in the source folder there is AI folder and many kinds of codes are added here. Okay, so अगर आप यहाँ तक वीडियो देख रहे हो तो please subscribe and like the video if you really like the content I have uploaded this, and definitely you can try this application and start building your own websites or own apps without doing coding in the high level. Okay, you just need to write a prompt and need to understand the code, what the actual code means, what the actual code is delivered to, what does it means to, what is the base of the code, these kinds of things. If you know, you don't have to write code manually. And at this modern age where coding is now, where actually depends on the AI mostly, where AI agents are doing codes, you don't need to write code them manually. So you can use these kinds of platform to make your products, to make your websites. Okay. So I guess it has written too much code. Okay, so जैसा कि आप यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हो, हमारी वेबसाइट बन के आ चुकी है, and it is looking very cool. You know, let's see what it had built. Okay. तो यहाँ पे आप राइट साइड में देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे जेमिनाई का API की इसने एंटर करने के लिए बोला है मुझे, but I can auto generate. Yeah, I can auto generate my Gemini API key and start my website to explore. So it is like we have gone a full screen mode. Okay, it is loading here. Dot. Okay, so it is my brand name here, home, collection, AI stylist, contact, and you can see here like shop formal wear and Genji style, all kinds of these websites are here, and this is very looking cool website. Okay, I am really impressed with the output. Actually impressed with the output. Like this is the best, yeah, kind of best. Okay, so when you scroll, meet your personal stylist, and there are some quick links here. and there are this is the search button where I can search from here, and this is a user login button which we can edit in the future, and this is a card button. Okay, so I study your card is empty. You continue that. So actually, you can do something there. Okay, so if I have to order something or add to cart, we can just select the size L and XL, and it's actually add to cart. When we do add to cart, it goes in the cart. Yeah, I have clicked it 2 times here, so it goes in the cart. Let's do one. I proceed to checkout, and then we have to integrate the payment processor, and then we are done. Actually, we are done. Okay, so here is the collection part. So as you can see, website is the like best. You can actually build your products and actually build your website that you need for your businesses and for your personal brands from this Firebase Studio, and you integrate the Gemini API key to make it the prototype ready. But if you want to explore it, if you want to make it, just go with it and do it. Okay. And in the next video, I will show you uh, the another features which you can implement in your AI products, or you can implement in the code. And as you can see here in the contact section, there is a get in touch part, and there is a form. And if you have to integrate the form with a database, I will show you in the next videos, in upcoming videos, that how can actually integrate the form in the database to the database, so that is when someone users find this form and fills the form, their data will stored in the database, and actually you can see it and explore it. Okay, so let's end this video now. It is going long here, so hope you like the video, and do must subscribe, like, and follow me on Instagram and subscribe the channel. So मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए nice.